Railroads have long been a part of what's helped build this country and our economy to what it is today. Railroads move a vast variety of bulk commodities, which are the building blocks to everyday household products. On average, railroads can move 1 ton of freight 500 miles on a single gallon of fuel. The P&L was formed back in 1986, so for over 30 years, we provided safe and affordable freight transportation to all our customers and industries in this area and throughout our state. There are currently 7 Class 1 railroads in North America. The P&L interchanges with 5 of the 7, which provides multiple route and rate options for our customers. Logistically speaking, Paducah has a tremendous advantage over other cities with access to the North American Rail Network with the P&L and 2 Class 1s, the 4 major rivers and inland water system, and our highway interstate system. Paducah can provide any current or potential manufacturing or distribution company with every transportation option needed to get their products to market, either domestically or globally.
With the railroad headquarters being out of Paducah, Paducah is kind of a hub where we have several major railroads coming into connection, plus we have several major rivers in the area that come together.
So Paducah is currently sitting on what's known in the economic development world as a mega site in West Paducah. This site is triple served by rail with the 2 Class 1 railroads and P&L, and sits on the Ohio River, giving any potential industry access to the inland water system to either import or export raw materials or finished goods.
I've worked for the P&L Railroad for 23 years. I have seniority as a conductor and locomotive engineer. My great-grandfather, he done some track work and maintenance work for the railroad. My grandfather was a signal supervisor. My father worked in the signal department, and my brother and I work in transportation now. It's always put food on the table for our families, and it looks like a strong job that's always been here. It really looks like the future of the railroad's here to stay, as numbers have increased since I've been working at the railroad for 23 years.
So this is an exciting time for Paducah. I think it's just a matter of time before we land some major industries that will really help Paducah grow by creating more jobs and businesses to this community, and the P&L hopes to not only be a beneficiary, but also a contributor to that process.